Hello, welcome to Business Zero to Superhero, your one-stop shop for everything entrepreneurial. I'm Graham Jules, and in this video we'll be looking at best way to create a crypto Cardano wallet and fund it with ADA. Getting started. When starting out in cryptocurrency, it can be a bit confusing. In this quick how to get started with Cardano guide, we show you how to set up a Cardano wallet and fill it with crypto. First things first, what exactly is Cardano? Well, Cardano is what's known as a blockchain. A blockchain is a digital ledger or a list that holds all details of all transactions that are carried out by users. The advantage of a blockchain is that it cannot easily be altered. Therefore, any transactions that are carried out on the blockchain are considered immutable. Think of it as a list of transactions in your bank account. Another advantage of a blockchain like Cardano is that it's decentralized. In effect, the information or list of transactions stored on the blockchain is not stored in one place. The data is stored on thousands of computers across the globe. So, if a bad actor were to attack a single computer, it would not affect the blockchain and transactions can carry on normally. Cardano was started by ex-Ethereum co-founder Charles Hoskinson and offers a way for individuals to transact with each other without middlemen such as banks, much like the original cryptocurrency and blockchain, Bitcoin. Before you can begin making transactions on Cardano, you will need something called a digital wallet. Your wallet will need to be Cardano compatible. It's important that you use the right digital wallet for your chosen blockchain, or you will lose your funds if you send them to an incompatible wallet. Digital wallets on Cardano. Here are a number of suitable compatible wallets on Cardano. Nami, CC Vault or Eternal, Yoroi, Daedalus. I would not recommend using Daedalus if you are new to Cardano, as it requires downloading a full copy of the blockchain and takes a lot of time to set up. Nami is very user-friendly and easy, so we will use that to start off with. Go to the Nami website by going to namiwallet.io. Select your required browser, Chrome for example. You will then be prompted to add Nami to your browser. Add Nami Wallet to Chrome. Click the blue button to add Nami to your browser. Confirm adding the extension, and that's it. Nami Wallet should be added to your browser. Who said crypto was complicated? Setting up your new wallet. Click on New Wallet and accept the terms and conditions. In the next part of this setup, your seed phrase will be created. Consider your seed phrase a confidential password that you should not give to anyone. If anyone gets hold of your seed phrase, they can take all your valuable crypto and there will be no way you can get it back. Write down your seed phrase and keep it in a secure place. Once you have written down your seed phrase, select Next to continue. You will then be prompted to enter your seed phrase to confirm that you have it down correctly. You can then enter your account name and a password. Congratulations, you've successfully created your wallet. Funding your wallet. Click the Nami extension in the top right of your browser and you should see your newly created wallet with zero balance. You will now need to fund your wallet with ADA, the native currency on Cardano. In order to fund your wallet, you'll need to find a receive address that can be used to fund your wallet. Think of a receive address as an account number to your wallet that allows someone to transfer ADA and Cardano tokens to your wallet. To get a receive address to your wallet, click on Receive on your Nami wallet and copy the address. Your receive address will look something like this. To fund your wallet with ADA, go to a centralized exchange like Coinbase, purchase ADA and send it to your wallet using the receive address you just copied. Once you have ADA in your wallet, you can begin to transact on Cardano and purchase other native tokens using your wallet on Decentralised Exchanges DEXs like MuesliSwap, MinSwap, SundaeSwap, and WingRiders. And you're done. Don't forget to pick up some pop-up world tokens, PUW, on the way. Don't forget to like and subscribe on the bad boy below if you find this video useful. Also, check out the links below for more info on pop-up worlds, the pop-up world token, and pop-up world staking. See you later.